Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to fulfill your request once again. It is roast beef, which was requested a while ago. For the ingredient, we need some beef, which is just steak, like there's no bone, try to get no fat at all. Garlic paste, fresh garlic paste. Better to use fresh garlic paste instead of the store-bought. Dark soya sauce, cloves powder, cinnamon powder, salt and pepper. And we also need oil, which is in my pressure cooker right now, and we are making this in a pressure cooker. Quick, easy, but yet if you don't want to use pressure cooker, you can do this in a pot. It's just gonna take a little bit longer than the pressure cooker. Okay guys, my heat is over medium. I'm not gonna wait for the oil to get hot or anything. I'm just gonna add the beef right now. I have already washed it. Okay, so that's the beef. Everything, all the ingredients is going in. Salt to taste, pepper, cinnamon powder, cloves powder, dark soya sauce, and my garlic paste. And now what you're gonna do is mix until well combined. Smells is already good in here. And now I'm gonna close my pressure cooker. No water needed over here. And give this about like 6, 7, 8 whistle, and then we'll move forward. Okay guys, my roast beef is done. The pressure cooker was turned off like 15 minutes ago and the pressure is already down, so I'm gonna open it and let's see. We didn't add any water. You can see the beef itself, the soya sauce, the oil. You can see how many sauce we already have here. Smell is so good in here. Get the full written recipe down below for this delicious roast beef that is right in front of me. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell. Bye.